Because this is going to be a really fast website project, I just want to mention a few quick things to remind you while working on this project. So the first one is, as I've mentioned, it's better to have a minimal, well-designed website rather than a website that tries to do too much with too many pages but have kind of a mediocre design. Okay, don't try to do too much because one, you'll never get it done by next week, and the second, the more you do, actually the more chances you have to mess things up, and the probability of the general quality of the website will go down. Okay, it's easier to impress if you do less things but you do them good. Okay, the most important thing when you're working on your website is remember the 15 seconds rule. Okay, the 15 seconds rule basically means that most people leave a website within the first 15 seconds because it doesn't answer these three core questions. Who are you? Meaning, can I understand what's your name, either as a freelancer or as an agency? What do you do? So you're a designer, you're a design agency, you're a marketing agency, you're a developer. Be very, very clear about this. And why should I care? What's your unique selling proposition? Who do you help and how do you do this differently? And we have all this information already. So I just want to make sure that you remember to put it first thing in the hero of your updated website so that you don't lose people in the first 15 seconds. Now, one more thing that you should think about, if you can do it quickly, is adding other flags to your website. And by flags, I mean adding things that immediately kind of talk to your specific niche or website. So if it's relevant, logos of publications, schools, past clients, whatever logos that are relevant to them that will immediately, jump to their eyes, add them. If you have testimonials, that's also helpful. If you can use their lingo in terms of, acronyms or talking about their problems or using their slangs or their professional language, using these words, in your copy is going to immediately impress them and create trust that you know how to help them. And of course, if you are helping people in the food industry, then use imagery of food. If you're helping real estate agents, use images of real estate, because that would immediately connect to your niche and tell them that you are the right person for them. Now remember, this is just the first step. Don't let ego and the feeling that this is not good enough hold you back from putting something in the air. We'll work later to improve our presence and our brand, but first you need to see that even that the way that we're going is even valid and people relate to it. Okay, so most important thing for this week, have something up with clear messaging for your niche.